Okay, that's fine. So we're here with Kento today, and we're just going to do a quick overview of this robot just to get an understanding. So yeah, like just give me like an overview about what these robots are for,
Yeah.
right, and what they do.
Okay. This is a robot for the hospital, and it delivers the medicine or blood sample
Right,
from medical center to the wall.
right.
And usually, person deliver these things, but it's not the job for the person or us.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and especially in Japan, worker shortage is a serious problem.
Right,
So
okay.
this robot will move on behalf of the person.
Right, yeah.
And this robot can use elevator by
Okay.
itself.
Right, okay.
Yeah, it's press button with communication,
Yeah.
cloud communication. So with using that, it can move to another floor.
Right, okay.
So, yeah. And
Okay.
this robot have already working at 10 hospital in Japan.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So who's the manufacturer? Is it?
Is Kawasaki.
So it is a Kawasaki.
Yeah.
So Kawasaki do like so they got motorbikes.
Yeah, Kawasaki
They
is
got-
a kind of conglomerate.
Yeah.
Make robot and we also make helicopter.
Yeah. Lots and lots of
Lot of
different
business.
products. Yeah. Okay. So how many of these have you got in the hospital?
Usually in the hospital, 2 or 3 this robot
Yeah.
is working. And
Yeah.
now we started moving at 10 hospitals, so it's like a 20 or 30 of these robots have moving around.
Right. And I can see you got two different types. You got a lockable system. So this one you can lock to put drugs in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is exhibition, so it doesn't lock.
Yeah.
Now, but when once it's closed, it have already automatically lock, and there is IC card key.
Yeah.
Using that, nurse staff can unlock it.
ID card. So the only thing I see is that you know how the head's spinning around.
Yeah. This
Is that a bit of a? So I have to ask. Do you have to be like a health and safety thing with the head spinning around?
This is a LiDAR.
Yeah.
It measures the distance between the other things. And
Yeah.
the LiDAR has also used in the iPhone.
Yeah.
So we think we don't need special care about this thing
Yeah.
when using in the hospital.
So what would happen? So in a hospital, if it was an old person and they weren't looking and they fell on that, what does that just stop?
Oh yeah. It stopped by itself. So there is a map inside of this robot, but
Yeah.
it can judge the surrounding by this sensor.
Sorry. Yeah. So I'm just curious that if someone fell on it, then if I try to stop that, like would it break the robot?
No. Actually, we can move by itself, and it's rounding, but it's okay to touch.
Oh, you can touch it. Yeah. Okay.
So because this robot, sometimes kids touch this robot.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah. That's the first thing. I really like it. I think it's cool.
Thank you.
And you got the thing, yeah. And obviously, like you need that to get the visual space of where you need that to understand the map and the layout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before the installation, we make map for the robot.
Yeah.
After that, it moved by itself.
Yeah. And then I saw the lady just grabbed it. So if this was going down a corridor and I wanted to move it, so if I grab it and move it, do I have to squeeze the handle?
Yeah.
And then as long as it stays within the map, then it can go back on the path?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this robot judge the things or human. So
Yeah.
if there is a person, it will stop.
It will stop,
And
yeah.
If there is a bed or other obstacle, it can deviate and move to another area.
And it makes a noise if you do it, yeah.
But it's okay for me.
Yeah. And you got power there as well.
Yeah. So it's back itself.
It self-tops, yeah. Okay. Great, no, I think that's great. I think that's a great overview. Yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.